everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. So crafting is so good for your soul, you guys, and if you love to crazy craft like me, definitely check out the rest of the episodes in my huge I Love Christmas series. We also did over 100 Dollar Tree DIYs in my huge I Love Fall series. I'm gonna link the playlist down in the description box below if you guys get totally inspired and jam out on tons of crafting and decorating. So without further ado, plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. So to get started, I want to go ahead and set up my flocked Christmas tree in the corner of my dining room. Mr. Romantic was so sweet to go ahead and help me do this. This is the 6.5-foot tree from Walmart, and for the first Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to go ahead and take one of their infinity scarves and I'm just going to cut it in half because I actually ran out of the buffalo check plaid ribbon, and I have been using that in my living room, and I want my living room to match my dining room. So I'm taking this bling wrap. I get the bling wrap from dazzle.com, and I'm layering that with the buffalo check plaid ribbon and some burlap ribbon that I get from burlapfabric.com. I'm going to link all of the ribbons and goodies down below for you, and I do have a $5 off coupon, Olivia Fall, for burlap fabric if you guys need some of that. And the dazzle.com ribbon is amazing. They also have some really fun little bling brooches if you guys like that. So I'm just taking this ribbon and I'm going down the side of my tree. I'm making about 12-inch poofs, and the way that I'm securing it onto my tree is just by twisting the branches together on top of the ribbon. You could also use wire or pipe cleaners, but this works just perfectly for this style of tree. So I'm layering in about 4 different layers of these 3 ribbons together. So it's the bling wrap and the burlap, and then that little scarf from Dollar Tree that I cut in half. Ribbon will work better, but again, you guys, I was out, so I just had to make do with what I had. I do know that Walmart and Hobby Lobby is carrying some of the red and black buffalo check plaid ribbon just for reference in case you guys need any of that. So I'm just continuing to crisscross the ribbon on top of itself, and then here is how it should look after you're done, and you're going to want to give it a bit of a fluffing. Now I'm going in with this beautiful sparkling lace tulle. Again, I got this at burlapfabric.com. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous and really pops against the light. And now I'm just adding in some Dollar Tree ornaments. I love those pearl ornaments that they have right now, you guys, and then just some different gold ornaments. I'm really kind of using a lot of the leftovers that I didn't use on my giant Christmas tree in the living room Christmas tree. And if you guys want to see how I decorated my Christmas tree for the 2019 season in my living room, I'm going to link that video down below for you guys. It's kind of in this style, but on a much grander scale. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm just taking an Olivia bow and then one of the plaid Dollar Tree bows, and I'm popping that on to the topper, and then I gave it a good fluffing, and then we did this DIY a couple DIYs back. It's one of those Dollar Tree wooden stars. I painted it, glittered it, added some goodies, and then topped it on top of my tree. And then for the tree skirt, I just used an old lace tablecloth, and here's a close-up of how sweet this tree is coming out with all of the layers and textures of ribbon. My style is very over the top. I'm doing a very kind of rustic, glam, farmhouse chic style, if there's such a thing. If not, hey, we're going for it like that this season. So for the next DIY, I'm going to go ahead and create a really beautiful over-the-top chandelier decoration. So I'm adding in, actually these are just spring florals to my chandelier, and then I'm going to take some of that Dollar Tree red ribbon and some of their sparkling bling ornaments, and I'm just going to tie it onto my chandelier. And I want to do this in varying lengths and also varying colors. So I just continue to add some of these beautiful Dollar Tree ornaments. I love these. They're very razzle dazzle, sparkle and shine. And then for the next DIY, I'm taking some of that Dollar Tree wire. It's just floral wire. You find it in the craft section. And I'm going to string about 5 or 6 different shatterproof ornaments on this. They're a variety of Dollar Tree and thrift store ornaments. Again, kind of using up what's in my stash. And then I'm just going to tie those on underneath the little arms of the chandelier. So for the chandelier, we added a layer of floral. You could also use greenery. And then we just hung some ornaments from little ribbons and then just added in some of those ornament balls to really give it this grand, over-the-top, fabulous effect. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted to do this with my chandelier, and I think it's such a fun way to reuse some of the ornaments you may have laying around in your Christmas stash. So for the next DIY, we are going to set a Dollar Tree tablescape. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in the peppermint. Oh my goodness, they have the most delicious cleaning sprays and lotions and soap. I'm going to link a 5-piece free gift set for you guys to try out if you want some really yummy cleaners. They're very affordable and they just make cleaning actually fun. I'll link that down below for you guys. So I chose a white tablecloth and then this little kind of burlap covered overlay. And then I want to go ahead and use 2 of the Dollar Tree men's scarves. These are in the red and black buffalo check plaid. Again, I'm trying to tie in my living room tree because it's so close to my dining room. Now, Dollar Tree carried these little bamboo placemats over the summer, and I found some on Pottery Barn that were $12 each. So if you guys have those in your summer stash, whip those out because those are still in season according to Pottery Barn. So I'm layering the Comfort and Joy plates, and I only had 4 to layer on here because I'm using them in another spot. So I used some of the silver Dollar Tree chargers, and then the red and black Dollar Tree chargers, and then white plates, and then the little cookies for Santa plate on top of that. So there's several different layers, which I love to do for a Thanksgiving or Christmas tablescape. Now for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to use one of those scarves, and I'm just going to cut it in about the size of a napkin because I needed some extra napkins. And so then I'm going to take some ribbon and I'm going to make a little napkin ring with some ribbon. I'm just going to dovetail the ends by cutting upwards in a triangle section. And this beautiful ribbon, again, is from burlapfabric.com. And these beautiful brooches, oh my goodness, they're about $1.50 each in a pack if you get the big pack at the dazzle.com. So I'm taking a thrift store linen napkin and I'm just tying the little ribbon on top of this, and then I thought that was really cute, but you guys know me, I have to go super extra. I want to add this beautiful brooch to the top of this, and oh my goodness, I was just thrilled with how cute this came out. Now if you guys want to go more glam or change out the colors, remember you can change this style to suit your fancy and whatever decor you're using. So I also wanted to use this little brown napkin and these plaid napkins that I found at the thrift store. I actually found both of these at the thrift store. I have 4 of them, so I'm going to use them on all 4 of my center plates. Again, I'm just tying the little napkin ring with the ribbon, and then for some razzle dazzle, sparkle and shine, I'm adding that beautiful brooch from dazzle.com. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are just so sweet and really easy to use. They just pop right on there, and check it out. I feel like this is something you might see at Pottery Barn or Pier 1 Imports. Comment and let me know what you guys think about it. And will you be doing a Christmas tablescape? If so, what colors and style are you going for? So here is an overview of how that tablescape mixes in with some of my shabby chic decor, adding in some rustic flair and these little touches with the dazzling and the bling. The majority of it is from the thrift store and Dollar Tree, so keep those eyes out for the next DIY, go ahead and use some of those little Dollar Tree mirrors, and you can pop a beautiful candelabra into the center. And then for the next DIY, we are going to make a quick little Thanksgiving / holiday cornucopia. So I'm taking one of those Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I'm popping in some actual springtime greenery on top of the Christmas tree because I just want to do layers and textures. Again, I want to give it kind of that rustic chic glam with touches of a farmhouse in there. And then I'm popping in this beautiful flocked poinsettia. I did get that from Michael's. They have gorgeous poinsettias if you need some specialty poinsettias. And then some little Dollar Tree poinsettias, and then some of those little Dollar Tree gold picks. And that was just the super quickest, easiest little cornucopia. And because that tree is in there, I really didn't need to use any foam because that tree kind of acts as a holder to hold everything in. Now, if you want it to be really secure, go ahead and pop something like some floral foam into this, but I felt like it was fine because I'm going to be putting it on a decorative tray. And oh my goodness, this is just coming together so fun and gorgeous. Now, I know a lot of you probably might be doing traditional Thanksgiving colors, but because my home is already decorated for Christmas, I decided to create a holiday cornucopia, and I think it is beautiful. I've actually never done a cornucopia before, but I really am excited and pleased with how it came out. I think it really looks styling on this table. And the best part is I'm getting really close to be able to do my home tour for you guys. And so all of my holiday decorating will hopefully be done in the next couple of weeks, or I may be just decorating up until the day of. Who knows, you guys? You guys know me. I just love to craft and decorate. Now, I want to hear, have you guys decorated your home for Christmas yet? Are you waiting until after Thanksgiving? I'd love to hear what everybody is up to. I know everybody has different styles and tastes and traditions, and I just think it's so fun to celebrate your unique style and transition. If you guys can tell, those are those little DIY curtains that I did for my studio. I moved a couple of the panels inside. You can find that beautiful, vibrant green fabric at Walmart, believe it or not, for super cheap. So again, here is an overview of my dining room. First time ever putting a Christmas tree in the corner of my dining room. It's actually the tree that was in my Christmas crafting studio. I went ahead and moved it into that corner, and then I have my eye on this little $10 tree at the thrift store that I'm going to bring into my crafting studio and redo it in a whole nother style to share with you guys. I think this is the 5th time I have decorated a Christmas tree for you guys. We've done pink Christmas, rustic Christmas, glam, farmhouse, chic. I've shared with you guys so many different styles. And I'm just so thankful that you guys have wanted to watch, and everybody's having so fun with this Christmas series. And I cannot wait to share with you guys more of this Christmas series. And then I have a surprise after Christmas series for you guys as well. So I know a lot of people get really excited and go to town decorating their homes for Christmas and then kind of don't know what to do after Christmas. So I've got you. Definitely stay tuned, you guys. As always, let me know which was your favorite DIY in this video and which one will you be recreating. I also wanted to let you guys know that I popped little bows onto the back of my chair. I thought that would be super fun, and all of these DIYs today were really simple. Definitely go check out my I Love Christmas playlist if you need more fun inspiration. to share a quick recap of some of the videos in my huge I Love Christmas series. We put up my Christmas tree in episode 1. In episode 2, I shared with you guys an amazing Dollar Tree haul, as well as transform some Dollar Tree Halloween and fall items into Christmas items, another haul, and then I shared with you guys how to transform everyday objects into beautiful ornaments. I did a lovely little candy cane DIY series, as well as took 6 different candy cane theme wreaths and shared with you guys also this cute little elf transformation, a wonderful Dollar Tree centerpiece, and then I've also shared with you guys several different glam and pink Christmas ideas. Here was the rustic kind of farmhouse I shared with you guys. Here was the Dollar Tree garland that I shared with you guys, as well as how to decorate this beautiful Christmas tree using Dollar Tree ornaments. I combined everything for you, as well as some other wonderful DIYs I've shared along the way. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous DIY crafty decorating adventure. It is such a blessing and an honor to have you all here. Crafting is so good for your soul. I just want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work. If you love to crazy craft like me, definitely consider subscribing and be part of my fun and amazing little community here. Everybody is so nice. It's just such a blessing and honor to have you guys here. And for everybody that comes back and loves on me with your kind comments to me and each other, thank you. I just love y'all so much, and I just encourage you guys to keep up the good work. And if you want to share pictures of your DIYs, I'd love to see what you guys are up to. Hop on over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. Request to join. You can start posting and sharing all of your DIYs and home decor photos. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page where I share with you guys kind of some condensed DIY videos and some behind the scenes on my Instagram story of my crazy mama crafty life. So thank you guys again for being here. I'm hugging you all so very tight. I want to encourage you guys, keep up the good work, be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.